Hello and welcome back to Hawkeye Traders Update. My name is Randy Lindsay. I wanted to share with you a very quick trade setup that I found using the Hawkeye Fatboy. The Fatboy is our strength meter. We are looking at all the different futures instruments here, the S&P, the NASDAQ, the Dow, the Russell specifically, and I'm looking for either overbought, oversold, or correlation conditions. Right now you can see that before 8 o'clock, all of these systems, all of the markets were trading very tightly together. That shows they are correlated. Like gold, very decorrelated from the rest of the market. Crude oil, decorrelated. But all the other markets are correlated very nicely. When they are correlated this nicely, all of the markets tend to trade and trend in like manner. So when that occurs, I simply watch for a turn from strength to weakness or weakness to strength. Here, right about 8 o'clock, I saw a build and turn from a trend of weakness back into strength. If you notice, I'm looking for setups on the four markets. The S&P is the big boy in the block. So whenever the S&P signals long, I usually will take trades in the other markets as well. On this particular case, the S&P, the Dow, the NASDAQ, and the Russell all gave me a confirmed double dot buy signal in a continuation of the longer term trend. All of the longer term trends were bullish and long, so that gave me a really high confidence to take this trade. So entering at the close of the trigger bar, at the open of the entry bar, at whatever the price filled for that target is, I trade to my first profit target, which would be a level 3. This level 3 happened to be right at a resistance level, so that was a perfect place to put that trade. Whenever I enter this type of trade strategy, I then at the exact same time enter an order for all the other markets as well. One for the YM, one for the NASDAQ, and one for the Russell. Then when I reach my profit target on the S&P, I exit my trade on the Dow, on the NASDAQ, and the Russell based upon the S&P results. As you can see, I was able to take 8.25 points out of the ES, 78 points out of the Dow, 30 points off of the NASDAQ, and 4.4 points off of the Russell. This equates to $412 on the S&P, $390 on the Dow, $600 on the NASDAQ, and $440 on the Russell, just trading one contract each. Minimal requirements for margin, so everything works out and trades beautifully. And as you can see, this trade took about 1 hour, from about 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock this morning. So in 1 hour, I was able to make almost $2,000 just using a simple trade technique, following the rules, using the software the way it's designed. I can teach you how to trade this way too if you sign up for our free weekly webinar. Go to hawkeyetraders.com and sign up for the Wednesday classes. The next class will be tomorrow. Also, get a copy of our free ebook or download a free copy 2-week trial of our software so you too can see and visualize these setups and take the trade the Hawkeye way. Thank you for your time.